shedding light on the sun requirements of succulents. Succulents are popularly used in indoor and outdoor gardening. They are known for their unique and attractive shapes and colors, as well as their ability to thrive in hot and dry environments. One of the key factors in keeping succulents healthy and beautiful is providing them with the right amount of sunlight. Succulents that need full sun. Echeveria. Echeveria is a popular genus of succulents that includes over 150 different species. These rosette-shaped succulents are native to Mexico and Central America and require full sun to maintain their vibrant colors. Sedum. Sedum is a large genus of succulents that includes over 400 different species. These plants are prized for their attractive foliage and hardy nature, and they come in a wide range of colors and textures. Aloe. Aloe is a genus of succulents that includes over 500 different species. These plants are known for their fleshy leaves and striking blooms, and they are commonly used for medicinal purposes. Crassula. Crassula is a diverse genus of succulents that includes over 300 different species. These plants come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and they are often used in rock gardens and other outdoor landscaping projects. Agave. Agave is a genus of succulents that includes over 200 different species. These plants are known for their dramatic rosettes and spiky leaves, and they are often used in xeriscaping and other low-water landscaping projects. By choosing the right species for your growing conditions and providing the appropriate amount of sun, water, and care, you can enjoy a beautiful and healthy succulent collection. Please visit asucculent.com to read more.